Good morning students, hope you all are fine. In the fraction chapter, we are at division of fractions, right? But before going to the topic, we have to understand the concept of reciprocal. So reciprocal is if we are taking a number a by b, the reciprocal of a by b is b by a, and the numbers means the two numbers are said to be reciprocal if their product is always 1, right? Suppose a number is 3 by 2. The reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So their product is 1, right? Reciprocal means suppose a number is written as 2 by 3. If you want to convert it into reciprocal, means you have to divide 2 by 3 by, you have to divide 2 by 3 to 1. So 1, convert the sign, that equals 3 by 2, right? So this is the number and this is the reciprocal. Take another examples. Suppose a number is 4 by 5, right? This is the number. So the reciprocal is 5 by 4. Means in the number 4 by 5, 4 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator, but in reciprocal part, the number's denominator becomes the reciprocal's numerator and the numerator of the number becomes the denominator of the reciprocal, right? If 4 by 5 is the number, reciprocal is 5 by 4. If number is suppose 3 by 7, the reciprocal is 7 by 3. Suppose the number is 9 by 11, the reciprocal is 11 by 9, and so on, right? So I am giving you some numbers, you have to convert it into their reciprocal, means you have to practice it. Second number is 5 by 12, third number is 24 by 37, fourth number is suppose 15 upon 19, right? Find out their reciprocals. Right, and send it to me. So let's come to division of the fraction, right? If there are two fractions, suppose a by b and c by d, and we have divided a by b by c by d, means we have to divide a by b by c by d. We write it as a by b divided by c by d. Then this number means a by b is multiplied by the reciprocal of the second fraction, right? Take an example. Suppose a number 2 by 3 is divided by 4 by 5, right? So we have to take the reciprocal of second number and multiply it by first number of fraction. So reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 5 by 6 is the answer, right? So in division we have to take the reciprocal of that fraction by whom we are dividing the first fraction, right? Let's take another examples. Number 4 by 5 and which is divided by 5 by 9, right? What will do? 4 by 5 multiplied by 9 by 5. right? So 9 4 ja 36, 5 5 ja 25. In second question, if 5 by 7 is divided by 10, right? So if there is a whole number or a natural number, take 1 as the denominator, right? And 5 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 10. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Answer is 1 by 14, right? So these type of questions you will take in division part. Third part is if the number is given as in the mixed fraction. Suppose a number is given in the mixed fraction. Suppose 5 whole 3 by 5 divided by 3 whole 2 by 7, right? So first convert it into improper fractions. 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 3 28. So 28 by 5, which is being divided by 7 3 is 21 plus 2 23. 23 by 7, right? Then take the reciprocal of this number. So 28 by 5 multiplied by 7 by 23. Multiply the numbers and you will get the answer. 7 8 ja 56. Carry 5. 7 2 ja 14. 14 plus 5 19 divided by 5. 3 ja 2 5 ja 10. Or 3 5 ja 15. 1 1 5. Right? This is the answer and convert it into mixed fraction. Right? Now I am going to give you some questions what you have to practice. So divide first 5 by 9 by 2 by 3. Second part is 5 whole 4 by 7 by 4 by 13. Third part 2 whole 3 by 5 by 4 whole 4 by 5. Fourth 28 by 2 by 7 by 9. And fifth part is 36 by 2 whole 3 by 8. Right? These questions you have to practice it and send the solution. Right? These 5 questions you have to practice it and send me the solution. Now come to the word problems part. So a rope of length 9 whole 3 by 4 meter is cut into 6 equal pieces. Find the length of each piece. So length of the rope is 9 whole 3 by 4 and which is being divided by 6 because it is cut into 6 equal pieces, right? So first convert this to improper fraction. So 9 4 ja 4 9 ja 36 plus 3 39. 39 by 4 divided by 6. You can take it as 6 by 1. Take the reciprocal of this. So 39 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 6. Right? 3 2 ja 6 and 3 13 ja 39. So that is 13 by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 5 13. So 1 whole 5 by 8 meter. Right? That is the answer. Means that is the length of one part. Right? and if you want to check the answer, you just multiply it by 6, you will get the length of the row, right? So question reads as product of two numbers is 15 whole 5 by 6. If one of the number is 6 whole 2 by 3, find the other number. Suppose one number is A, another number is 6 whole 2 by 3, and their product equals 15 whole 5 by 6, right? First convert it to improper fraction. 6 3 ja 18 plus 2 20. So A multiplied by 20 by 3 equals 15 6 ja 90, 90 plus 5 95, 95 by 6. If this goes to that side, this will divide. So A equals 95 by 6, which is being divided by 20 by 3, right? Then take the reciprocal of this part. So 95 by 6, and the reciprocal of 20 by 3 is 3 by 20. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 5 19 5 ja 95, and 5 4 ja 20. That equals 19 by 8. Convert it into mixed fraction. 8 2 ja 16, remainder is 3, 3 by 8, and that is the number, right? So this is the answer, 2 whole 3 by 8. Let's come to another question. So the question reads as, by what number should 6 whole 2 by 9 be multiplied to get 40, right? This question you have to solve it and send the answer, right? Come to next question. So question reads as, 24 liters of milk was distributed equally among all the students of a hostel. If each student got 2 by 5 liter of milk, how many students are there in the hostel, right? So number of students multiplied by 2 by 5 liter of milk, right? Total number of students multiplied the particular part, means what each student get, is equals total number of milk, total liter of milk is 24, right? So number of students you have to find out. This is here, 2 by 5 is in multiply. When it goes that side, your right hand side, it will divide the 24. So number of students equal 24 divided by 2 by 5, and take the reciprocal of 2 by 5, that is 5 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 12 ja 24, and 12 5 ja 60. So there are 60 students, each get 2 by 5 liter of milk, and the total milk is 24 liter. You can check the answer, means 60 multiplied by 2 by 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 12 ja 60, 12 2 ja 24, and that is 24 liter of milk. So while solving the question, you can also check your answer, means whether you are doing right or not. Let's come to another question. The cost of 5 whole 1 by 4 kg of mangoes is rupees 231. At what rate per kg are the mangoes being sold? So this question you have to solve it and send the solution, right? In this question, the total amount is given. The kg means the weight of the mangoes is given, right? You have to find out the per kg price, right? So 231 divided by the total weight, right? So students, we have completed the fraction chapter. In next video, we'll start the new chapter. Till then, stay safe, be at home, and thank you and take care.